Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay May 9, 2023, Tuesday. Welcome po sa The Stock Market Today. Ang ating featured news ay tatlo. Titignan po natin si Globe, si ICT, at si Metro Bank. Ako po si Benji Chodoro, isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw ko po binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, nipita po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa Philippine stock market, i-comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Mga sinasabi ko po dito, hindi po financial advice. Get well soon, Mari. We're praying for your recovery. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, May 9, 2023, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, ang ating summary ay makikita po natin sa BDO Securities. Bank lending grew 10.1% in March 2023. SM Prime first quarter net income up 27% to 9.4 billion. Oh, first quarter pa lang yan. Parang si BDO. No? ICT net profits up 8.7% in the first quarter. JGS posts 4.4 billion core net income in the first quarter. M-Wide books 2.8 billion net income in 2022. And Metro Pacific completes initial stake acquisition of SPNEC. Tingnan po natin ang ating main news. Una po, tingnan po natin si Globe Telecoms. Meron po siyang upgrade to buy on reasonable valuations. Steady core operation sustaining EBITDA growth. Ito po yung EBITDA, earnings before income taxes, depreciation, and amortization. Yun po ang ibig sabihin ng EBITDA. First quarter 23 results in line with expectations. Resilient telco operations supplemented by non-telco growth. And additional 447 towers sold. So nagdadivest na po sila ng kanilang tower ownership, and they will just rent from the service providers. Recent share price weaknesses an opportunity to buy. So, ang rating po from neutral, ginawa po niyang buy with a target price of 2,265 or a 32.5% implied upside. The next is ICT. Meron po siyang good results amidst global headwinds. Profits are up 8.7% in the first quarter. Asia ports get boost from higher volumes. America's ports down on lower yields. EMEA ports grows on better yields. Ito po yung Europe, Middle East, and Africa. Management updates and outlook. Global trade environment has deteriorated due to high inflation. Yields are expected to improve in the second to the third quarter. EBITDA margins will likely remain above 60%. Capex budget is at $400 million for 2023. And Sudan's situation has worsened due to political instability. ICT has an investment value of $142 million in the country. There is a reiterate buy of 258 target price, and it remains 258 or a 19.1% implied upside. The third is Metro Bank. There is robust lending and fee income performance. The first quarter net income is up 31%. Loan growth still double-digit. Asset quality remains healthy. Key takeaways is that the loan growth guidance remains high, single-digit to low double digits this year. Provisioning costs are seen to taper in subsequent quarters. NIMs, or net interest margins, ang NIMs, are expected to be stable and average about 3.9% in the full year 2023. Fee income to sustain growth on customer-driven transaction volumes. OPEX spending level in the first quarter to continue in succeeding quarters. MBT digital penetration rate continues to increase, now stands at 36%. The bank's strong capital and liquidity position coverage ratio ensures adequate buffers for potential risks. There is a keep buy with a target price of 77, and with a closing price yesterday of 60.30, there's an implied upside of 27.7%. So tignan po natin itong tatlong kumpanyang ito plus the most active stocks today, no? So PSEI is up 6622.61. Hindi pa po siya naka-recover from the red engulfing candlestick the other day. And there is a net foreign buy of 111 million. Almost flat po ito, 21.87, or parang bawi lang siya ng konti from the profit taking which occurred yesterday. Now, the most active stock is, dito muna tayo sa market activity. 86 declined, 73 advanced, 71 hindi po nagbago. All share index 0.19%. Or 6.69 points up. Financials and services are down, pero yung holding companies, industrials, minings, and properties are up. So, para po lang nag-counterbalance po itong downs and ups at nang ibabaw po yung pag-up o yung pag-akyat ng index. The most active stock is BDO, followed by SMPH, SM, ICT, and Ali. But let's take a look at SMPH, SM, ICT, Glow, and MBT, yung mga nag-figure out sa special report natin today. Okay, so let's now start with, before we proceed, meron po ditong comments si Yazen Narciso Molina Domingo 894. Thank you, sir. Maraming salamat, Yazern. And then Cyborg Zify, bakit halos di gumalaw ang mga stocks? Yung iba bumaba pa, manipis ba talaga ang volume ng PSE natin? O manipis ang foreign investors? Good day po, sir. I just saw this in the news, Case for pause in BSP tightening cycle builds. So mukhang hindi po siya magkakaroon ng increase in the rates later this month, when the BSP meets, but which is good news, But there's another news item here. PSEI down on profit taking before the first quarter GDP US CPI. So, in other words, nag-aantay po sila ng economic data. Kaya po siya down on profit taking. So, this is more of profit taking. Yung red engulfing candlestick po na nakikita niyo po dito yesterday is because of profit taking. Yan po. Investors turned into profit takers after a strong week in local equity. So it's profit taking actually, and basically wait and see attitude po ang ating PSE. Okay po, Cyborg. So let's now start with our first stock, SMPH. It is the second most active, just moving sideways here. And yan po, support, nandito po siya sa 32.89 or 30, almost 33 yung pinaka-support po niya, dahil meron pong bounce dito at meron pong bounce dito sa area to, and it's bearish to sideways po ang aking tingin sa SMPH, SM Prime. Alam niyo po, pagka nagkakaroon po ng interest rate hike, bumababa po yung mga property sector, SMPH, Ali, RLC. Pero pagka nagkakaroon ng pause o nagkakaroon po ng reduction in interest rates, umaakyat po ang properties. Yan po ang nangyayari sa ating mga stocks. So, resistance nasa 36.29. RSI is in the midpoint, 51.14. CSM naman, ito po yung mother company, bullish po siya. So, it's moving upwards. Nasa 935. Check nga natin kung merong ano yung fundamentals niya. SM Prime or SM Investments, may buy rating po siya with a target price of 110 or 19.7 upside. Samantalang si Properties naman, SM Prime, nasa 42 ang kanyang target price or 22.3% upside. So pareha po siya may upside. So just moving, it's bullish to sideways actually. Pero more on the bullish side, support is at 862 and resistance, andito po siya, nasa 953 at makikita nyo po na yung ating mga moving averages nasa ilalim. Then, malakas po yung RSI. So, moving upwards po ang trend ng SMPH. Si ICT naman, maganda bang bumili ngayon? Iyan, maganda. So, nakita niyo po yung news kay ICT, no? Good results. So, na-maintain lang po niya yung buy rating niya. Pero nagdidip po siya ng konti. Kasi based on the technicals that I saw yesterday, head and shoulders po ito eh. Ito po yung dalawang shoulders, ito po yung head. So it will move downwards until probably hit the resistance level between 200 and the MA100 of 205, 206. Yan po yung resistance area po niya. Maaari po mag-bounce na po pagdating sa resistance na yun. Or antayin niyo po pong bumaba ng mga 30 or below. Pero tingin ko po sa mga 200 po, magbabounce po si International Terminal dahil maganda naman po ang kanyang, titignan niyo po yung fundamentals niya, maganda naman po. Ang resistance po, somewhere here. Nandito po sa 218 to 219. Si Glow naman, si Glow has been down for quite some time. Is it time to buy? Yan. Okay, meron siyang March 8 dividendo. June 2 pa. Ha? Talaga? May bago siyang may bago siyang dividendo. Very good, ha? 25 pesos. So, good po yung results ni Glow eh. Upgrade to buy siya on reasonable valuation. So, nandito po ang support niya at may dividendo po siya, no? 1701 po yung support. Or within support area na po yung 1710. And nag-touch na po siya or near support. Nasa 30-34 po yung RSI niya noong April 26. So, I expect a bounce from Glow. Kasi po, yung results po ng kanyang first quarter ay maganda. From neutral, buy rating na po siya. Ngayon, ang pinaka-resistance po niya nandito sa 1862, more or less. Pero kailangan pong yung ating mga indicators ay mag-under muna. But I see a bounce in Glow in the coming days. And then, Metro Bank, maganda rin si Metro Bank, ha? Yan, no? Although nagdidip po siya, 35 centavos down, tingnan natin ang fundamentals ni Metro Bank. Banks. Metro Bank, buy rating, 77 pesos or an upside of 26%. Si Glow naman sa telecoms, buy uli siya, 31.5. So pareho po siyang may upside and it is bullish. Pinaka-support, makukuha po natin sa MA100 at 57 to 58. Samantalang ang resistance level, nakikita ko po siya dito, malapit po siya dito sa 61 to 62 pesos ang pinaka-resistance po niya. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-siyam ng Mayo. Ito po si Benji Chidoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa muli. Stay safe. God bless. Bye for now.